Part of transparency and validation activities in AI solutions is to decide who should see the results of an AI solution. Deciding who should see results depends on the context of the solution, the stakeholders involved in the solution, and the purpose of the results. Determining who should see results should be pretty easy if we correctly identify stakeholder roles and responsibilities. For example, in our recreational area, managers and HR staff need to see results in developing an AI solution for staffing needs. Regular employees don't, because they are not involved in determining staffing. Where applicable, any privacy considerations regarding information sensitivity need to take place. The principle of least privilege should apply here. The principle of least privilege states that people should have access to what they need to perform their job functions and no more. Suppose we have a group of people that are not authorized to view personally identifiable information. In that case, they certainly should not be viewing any AI results that contain personally identifiable information, lest we risk a data breach while trying to build and deploy an AI solution. We also need to take into consideration the impact on project stakeholders. In the case of our recreational area, for many of the projects we may build, the customers, meaning the people who visit the recreational area, will be most impacted. But that doesn't mean that they need to see all the steps that go into the process of building AI models that could enhance their experience. Finally, of course, we need to consider any regulatory bodies that have regulations on how we handle data used in AI solutions. If necessary, we need to publish perhaps a white paper or something similar as to how we handle data, or at least some sort of publication on how we handle data and how we protect the privacy of any data that we need to protect.